Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I'm gonna share a very classy, glowy and a subtle look for this festive season. You can rock this look with any traditional wear in any festival or just as a wedding guest. You will find all the product links in the description box below, and for all the step-by-step details, stick to this video till the end. And if you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to see the latest. You can also go follow me on Instagram for styling tips and other updates. You will find my social media links in the description box as well. So let's get this started. So I'm starting off with this Nykaa K oil primer to moisturize and to add a sheen to my face, especially on those dry areas because I have combination skin. This oil is super lightweight and do not clog pores, which is again a good thing. And as you can see, it has got tiny shimmer particles to glow up the face. I'm using this L'Oreal Base Magique as a primer to blur out all the uneven textures and some larger pores here and there. It's a very lightweight silicone based primer with that velvety finish, which will blend out with your finger very easily, and it just fills out all the pores perfectly. For my foundation today, I'm using Poreless Matte from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 130 Buff Beige. As I have used an oil based primer today, using this matte foundation will help me to balance it out. For my brows today, I'll be using Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper in the shade Dark Brown. This is another amazing product. It comes with lid on one end and a sponge with the color pigment on another. This is a perfectly pigmented, easy to use brow pencil in such a pocket friendly range. This is probably the second pencil I'm using. I have finished the first one, which was probably light brown in shade, but I love this one more. To remove any clumps left, I'm just combing my brows with this spoolie, and the next I will use my Maybelline Tattoo Studio gel in the shade Chocolate Brown to make sure that my brow stays in place for a long time and there are no gaps left. And here you can see me cleaning out the edges of my brows using the same foundation with the help of this tiny flat brush, and gradually I'll just bring it down on the lids to cancel out any darkness. And here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to highlight the highest planes of my face, and I will be also using it on my lid once more to cancel out the darkness and to prepare it for the upcoming eyeshadows, and later on I'll just blend them out with the same beauty sponge. So for the eye makeup today, I'm starting off with this Twilight palette by You Can Be, and I will take this light pink shade to define the crease area. The blending brush I'm using here is from Morphe and the brush number is M514. The next I'm moving on to this darker shade of pink from the same palette, of course, and we'll layer it up to deepen the crease area using the same brush once more. The next comes this maroonish brown, and this brush you can see here is Morphe M562, and now I'll just start intensifying the outer corner using this color. And now I will curve out the crease area using this tiny flat brush, and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium for this purpose. And once the area is filled well, don't forget to buff some powder over it to avoid creasing. The next I'll use this beautiful rose gold kind of creamy pigment from Makeup Revolution in the shade called Rebound. For me, it works better if I apply it using my fingers. You can see the shade is gorgeous and it's my absolute favorite. Taking this black next, I will create a shadow at the outer edge light-handedly to avoid patches using this flat shader brush from Morphe, and the number is M213. And you can see I'm gradually dragging it across the crease very lightly now to create a depth. Be very patient with it. Do it very light-handedly to avoid any kind of harsh lines and patches. And here I'm using this Morphe M562 brush again to give it an overall blend very lightly. Now I will use this black gel liner from L'Oreal to draw a very thin line just above the lash line and a tiny wing using this angular brush from Essence, and later on I'll just layer it up with a little bit of black eyeshadow to give it a smoky effect as well. And the pencil brush I'm using here is from Morphe as well, and the brush number is M431. For my under eyes, I'll use both Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium and Maybelline Must Conceal in the shade light medium to adjust the kind of brightness I want for this look. And later on I'll just blend it out gently using a dabbing motion, and you can see I'm just using a beauty blender here. Buffing some powder over the concealed areas are really important to avoid creases, and here I'm using the translucent powder from Absolute New York. And once more I will start all over again from the light pink for my lower lash line using this flat brush from Wet n Wild. And here goes the dark pink mostly on the outer edge, and then this maroonish brown on the outer corner as well. And lastly I will use Morphe 562 to give it an overall blend. Here I am using the NYX Kajal for covering up the upper and the lower waterlines, and then I'll take a little bit of black eyeshadow on the flat brush from Morphe to apply just on the outer edge of the lower lash line so that everything looks put together. And here comes this beautiful rose gold glitter to add a little more sheen to the lids. This is from Nika K. I got this from Hawk Makeup or HOK Makeup as you call it. I will try to mention the shade name in the description box, and I will apply it just on the socket area of the lid. Lastly, I'll just give my lashes a good curl and will apply an even coat of mascara. And today I'm using this L'Oreal Carbon Black Mascara on both the upper and the lower lashes. And now I will use this ivory shimmery shade right here with this fan brush to highlight my brow bones and also on my inner corner. And here I will use this Maybelline Fit Me 25 medium concealer to highlight the highest planes of my face. The next I will use this Wonder Stick from NYX to cream contour my face. For highlighting, I am going to use Precious Petals from Wet n Wild, one of my favorite drugstore highlighter. It has a velvety texture, not too powdery, and also provides a very natural glow. The next, to add some color to my cheeks, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and the brush I'm using for this is from e.l.f. Lastly, to lock everything in, I'll use this Maybelline Infallible setting spray all over my face. Once again, it's an amazing pocket-friendly product by Maybelline. After outlining my lips with the Essence lip liner going steady, I am using this Mauve shade from Black Radiance. Since it's too cool toned, I will warm it up a bit using this Lakme 925 creamy matte lipstick. You will get all the lipstick details in the description box. I am super happy with the outcome and I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial too. Happy Puja from me to all of you. Hope the Lord fulfills all your wishes. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.